Hi friends, welcome back to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. I'm back with some more new features of Microsoft Word 2016 online. So in this tutorial we will be learning about how to apply various styles to your text. So let's see how to apply first style manually, and then we will see how you can apply styles by just clicking onto particular styles provided by Microsoft Word. So let me create first one heading menu. So now onwards we will be using the things which we have learned in previous tutorial. So I am just creating heading of Mahatma Gandhi, and I am selecting all the text and increasing its font size to 20 or 28. Now I want to align this text to center, so I can go to this align button and click on this center button. So now my text is aligned. It looks pretty good. Now I am just adding color to this font or this heading, and now it is navy blue, and I want to make it little bit bold. As you can see, it is looking really good. So this is how you can style your font and your headings manually. But there is very easy way to style your document, which is this style ribbon block or style section. So let's see how you can do it. First I will undo my all actions. So I am just pressing Ctrl Z. Now I want to align it to center, so I will be just clicking on this center, and now let's apply various kind of styles. So click on this drop down arrow and you will see many styles provided by Microsoft Word. First one is normal. Second one is no spacing, so it won't create any space around the text. Let's just click and see it. So you can see the font size is normal, alignment of text is normal, and it doesn't contain any space before and after text. Now this is heading 1, so it will increase the size of font and it will create heading of particular document. Now likewise, if you want to increase more size or less size, you can select particular headings. Microsoft Word has up to heading 9. Now this is the title. If you want to give a title to your document, then you can select this style. Let me select this document title. So now it is looking good. It has Cambria font headings and it has 28 size. You can align it by just clicking on this button. So these are some predefined styles provided by Microsoft Word, like intense, emphasize, subtle reference. If you are listing your paragraph, if you want to give book title, then there is a predefined standard format provided by Microsoft Word. You can also use it. For example, I am just selecting this Mahatma Gandhi and applying it book title. So it's really looking good. If you are creating book or any book document, then you should style this way because it really looks good. So this way you can style your document with predefined styles provided by Microsoft Word 2016 online version. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching video.